Hey guys, today I'm walking you through our project called Agentcloud. Agentcloud is built on top of the AutoGen project. It's a Microsoft project. And that project is designed to allow you to deploy a multi-agent conversation framework. So when this project released, it was really cool, got a lot of hype, but the problem was it was all in your console. There wasn't really any UI to it. So what we decided to do was take this open source as well and create a UI on top of AutoGen. Now it's still early in the works, but the idea is you come into the platform, you provide a task, it then creates a number of agents for you automatically. Once the agents get created, they start conversing, and eventually you get your output. So I'm going to walk you through an example I just ran recently. It's not perfect, but it works. So let's click here on view. And the aim of this session was to find arbitrage opportunities for top 50 cryptos in the market. Now, if you have a look at this session, let me just go to the right one. For the top 10 cryptos on Binance and Coinbase, make sure to make assumptions on fees. So as you can see here, first of all, the team gets created. So we've got a system prompt built in, which asks AutoGen or ChatGPT-4 GPT-4 to create a team based on this structure. This is the structure that AutoGen requires to work. After then, a team designer comes in and actually creates a team. So you've got a data scientist, a blockchain developer, financial analyst, project manager. And then it asks for feedback. So we give feedback. There is no feedback, so in this case, we just press exit. After we exit, it actually begins working on the task. So data scientist says pip install this NumPy, and it goes through, creates some code. Blockchain developer comes in and says it assumes the trading pairs are available on both exchanges and points out some issues and specifics around ask price and bid price. Eventually, a financial analyst comes in, also makes some extra assumptions around fees. Then the project manager agrees, and the executor actually tries to execute the code. So if we come down here, the developer submits some more code, and you can see the executor trying to execute this code. Now, if we keep going, you'll find that they actually did produce an output, but it wasn't working too well. So asked for some feedback, and I gave the feedback that there's some error with the output. Then it goes again. And they apologize for the confusion, they keep going, and actually it's getting a bit better. If we keep going, they go back and forth. Eventually they manage to execute this code. Now, I actually ended up taking this code in the end, and I ran it myself. And if you have a look here on the right, so these are my logs, these are the logs from the app. But if you open up the VS Code, you'll see that I actually ran the script. This is a Python script that I created. And you can see, although it still has some confusion with some two different trading pairs, you can see down below, running the script, it does check on the price for some trading pairs on Binance and Coinbase and tells you objectively yes or no if there's an opportunity. I'm not rich yet, so still working on it. I haven't found a good opportunity, haven't found a yes, not making millions of dollars, but it's just a proof of concept, and it's pretty cool that something like this is able to take your commands and actually produce working, functioning code that can find opportunities for you. Look forward to hearing from you guys. Feel free to join on our Discord or our GitHub, where you can have a chat, talk to us. Thanks, guys.